Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix TikTok direct message option not showing. So to do that, you just need to head over to the three lines up here, clicking on settings and privacy. You can head over to privacy in here and scroll down until you see direct messages, and you can actually enable it. Click this to everyone, to group chats, read status, filtered requests, whatever you need. However, if that still doesn't resolve your issue, then you can go to your settings in here. Then scroll down until you can see the apps option. Click that. Click on app management. And then look for TikTok on the list of apps that you have on your phone. Mine is right here. And then what you need to do is click pause stop. So it will resolve this issue by their own. Then what you need to do next is to click this TikTok and try to uninstall it. And then after that, you just need to head over to Play Store or App Store and install the app again. And once you're done, you just need to head over to TikTok and see if that option is available to you again. However, if the second method still doesn't resolve your issue, then what you need to do is head over to your three lines up here. Click on settings and privacy again. Then scroll down until you can see the help or support or report the problem button, which is around right here. Click that. And then this will redirect you to this page. You can see here a lot of options that you can choose from, and you can see here the direct messages under the topics button. Just click direct message. Click direct messaging is no longer available. And you can actually try this option that the TikTok recommended, but if that problem doesn't resolve your issue, you can click on no. And you can see here the need more help option. Just click that. And then you can actually tell TikTok your problem. You can actually write something like this: my direct message is missing. Please fix. And then you can attach photo or video showing that direct message is missing, and then you can click on submit. So that's it. I hope you learn a lot. from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of content. Follow for more.